Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Tectonic Talks. In today's video, we will be talking about the Google Recruitment 2024. As we all know, Google is a very reputed and a very good company. It is a dream company for many software developers to work here. So I'm here with the latest recruitment update from Google, that is Google Recruitment 2024. Good thing is there is no fees, and in some of the vacancies you can even expect direct selection with no exam. It's a very good opportunity. I would say apply fast to it. And also interesting thing, you can expect a salary up to 95,000 per month. So in this video we will be talking about the various posts in Google Recruitment, how you can apply for it, and other basic details. So let's get started. Basically, for the Google Recruitment we have multiple posts. We have post for software developer, for analyst, for data engineer, for SAP developer, for data scientist, and many more. So basically, the eligibility criteria to apply for the Google Recruitment 2024 is that you should have completed BE or BTech in computer science, IT, or electronics and engineering. That is the main eligibility criteria. And also important thing, both freshers as well as experienced persons can apply for these recruitments. So let's start with how you can apply. So basically, here is the application link that I have provided you. That is, you have to go to the Google's career website. Here is that website. So once you go through this link, click on this link, you will be entered into Google Careers website. Here you have to first sign up if you are not. So you have to log in using your Gmail ID. Once done, you can see this interface will be opened here. What you need to do is you have to select two things. First, the type of job that you are searching for. If you're searching for software engineer, type software engineer there. If you're searching for analyst or data engineer or tester, etc., just search here. And the second is you have to provide work location. Work location like India, or if you want to work abroad, you can type that. So based on whatever you're going to write here, you're going to get all these jobs based on your criteria. It will be filtered out. So then you have to click on search. Once you click on search, you are going to see this interface. So like you will see these many number of jobs have been matched. Now from here there will be multiple jobs that will come up. You have to click on learn more and go through the details of each and every job here. Go to the job description, the salary, whether it's a temporary job, permanent job, full-time job, or part-time, whatever. Go through it properly. After that you have apply button for each job. So whichever you find suitable, you can apply for it. Also one more thing, you have to get few documents ready before applying to the jobs at Google Recruitment. So these documents are, firstly you need a very good resume, your CV. Then you need your Aadhaar number, your PAN number. If you have passport, you need to upload your passport copy. Then you have to upload your mark sheets of 10th, 12th, graduation, all this, the final semester mark sheet. All these things you will require, all these documents. So please keep all these handy. You have to upload scanned digital copy of these documents here before recruitment. You have to apply while applying. So I hope that is clear to you. Google is a very good company and it's a dream company for many of us. It's good opportunity. Do apply for it. And if you like my channel and if you want more such job updates, please subscribe to my channel. I upload videos of hirings daily, so it will be really helpful for you all. Also like and share it with your friends. Thank you.